Here's how to fix if your iPhone is sending green messages. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you normally text and it shows up with a little blue bubble, but now it's showing up as green, I'm going to show you how to fix it. But first, hit that subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is head into a web browser here, and you're going to make sure there's not an issue just with Apple itself. So we're going to type in Apple system. Oh, here we go. I can't type this morning. System services. So Apple system services, and tap on system services. Now, the nice thing on here is Apple will show you if there's an issue with iMessage. Essentially, if iMessage is down, then it's causing issues, and basically they'll show up as green. So we're going to open this up and we're going to look for messages here, or iMessage. And you can see iMessage is available. This is the first thing that you need to check. After we've done that, the next thing that we will check is just to see if you have a good and stable internet connection. So let's open up a new web browser and we'll type in speed test. The reason why we do this and the reason why we run a speed test is because the blue text messages go through basically the internet, whereas green text message go through your cell signal wherever you are. So if you have no internet or bad internet, it will switch over to the green text message bubble instead of blue. However, we can do other things as well. So let's head into the settings, and from here, let's scroll down and tap on apps at the bottom. And then let's scroll down even more and we'll find messages here. Tap on messages. And on here, I'm going to toggle off iMessage and turn it back on. You can see here it says waiting for activation, essentially reactivating your iMessage so that everything can switch over to the blue text message bubble. Now, if I go down, I'm going to do something else as well. I'm going to toggle off send as text message. Essentially, this disables the green text message bubble and forces your phone to send it as a blue one if that's possible. So turn that off and try to send the text. And then if that doesn't necessarily work, you can turn it back on as well. Now, let's go back into messages here, and I'm just going to tap on this. You can see here it was sent as a green text here, but I can send it now as a blue. The reason for this is essentially another option or potential issue is because there's an internet issue or the phone is off, whoever you're sending it to. So if I turn on airplane mode and I say hi and hit send, it will say, okay, it's not being able to be delivered. And as you can see, it switches immediately over to green instead of blue. This is because this phone has lost its internet. So whoever you're texting, either if they have their phone turned off or if they have airplane mode turned on, essentially they're disconnected from everything, then it will always switch from a blue text message bubble over to the green one. And then whenever they turn their phone back on, or whenever they have internet again, or turn airplane mode back off, then it will switch automatically over to blue. So you can see if I turn this off and I hit hi, it will register. There we go. Now it registers, okay, everything's back to normal, and it can show up as a blue text message bubble at this point. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.